Hi everyone, welcome back to another very short but also very informative YouTube tutorial. In this video, I am going to teach you how to make another Gmail account on iPhone. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to open the Gmail app and then click on your profile on the upper right and then click add another account. And then choose Google and then continue. Wait for it to load and then click on that create account button and then for myself. Here you can place your name and then next, wait for it to load and then your birth date and then your gender. Click next and then you can choose or create your new Gmail address. Click next, wait for it to load, and here you can create your own password. Click next again, and then wait for it to load. Here you may add your phone number, or you can either skip. Click next, read all of this, and then click I agree. Wait for it to load. And then that's it. That's how you can create another Gmail account on iPhone. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.